And after this ad has been submitted, okay, this is the part where Facebook would ask you to put in your details. So since I'm advertising with a budget of $5 and I only have a balance of $1, it asks me to put in some more details over here. I'm just gonna skip and let's see what happens. When it pops up for you, do make sure that you put in your card details so that it could go ahead. And just make sure you use your own card, not any other person's card. Okay, so I think my ad went through. Good thing for me. Okay, so you could see over here that the ad is in review and some other order summaries that Facebook would be showing you related to your ad. Your ad was also run on Instagram. It will be built on 2nd November, where obviously for the additional thing. And this ad, if I want, I could edit any of the information over here as well, but I would definitely choose not to. How about I decrease the budget, or I'll let it be. I'll try to refresh my the page for ads manager, and again, if any of you have any confusion regarding it, go to your Facebook profile and click on manage ads and it would open up. Alright, so you can see that the ad it's in review. Once it gets reviewed, it would become active and you would be seeing all the results over here. So let me pause that